Hey guys, I want to talk to you about a little trick with the Toyota Prius. Mine is third generation Toyota Prius, actually 2011, and this is the commercial vehicle. This is a taxi in Los Angeles. So the thing is, you know how the carpet in the trunk is really clean and nice, and sometimes you want to put something, but you don't want to mess it up. So it's actually what you can do. You can turn it upside down, and this will be rubber side up, and you can put anything here. That's how we're using in our business. So here, if you spill anything, if you drop anything, it's just keep towel clean, and that's it. When you want to be more presented, you just turn it upside down, and you have a nice and clean carpet. Thank you.